Hello guys, today is day 24, May 31. So one more month is ending and hope your studies are like seriously aligned to a particular timetable. If not, you can enroll to the 2021 batch 6 where you will get details. And today is schemes 2, okay, which is again important, a continuation of yesterday's series. The first question for today is E-Rakam. E-Rakam is a digital initiative which would help which of the following? Okay, like taxpayers to pay taxes, market consumers to save taxes, MPs and MLAs to procure goods, farmers to sell their produce. So, which digital initiative is this? E-Rakam. Yeah, the answer is farmers to sell produce. Okay, E-Rakam is a first of its kind initiative that leverages technology to connect farmers of the smallest villages to the biggest markets of the world through internet and E-Rakam centers. It is developed by MSTC Limited and supported by marketing and logistic partner CRWC Limited. It's a digital initiative bringing together the farmers, FPOs, that is farmer producer organization, public sector units, then there's civil supplies and buyers on a single platform to ease the selling and buying process of agriculture products. Under this initiative, E-Rakam centers are being developed in phased manner throughout the country to facilitate farmers for online sale for their produce. Effort would be to auction 20 lakh tons of pulses in the first phase through the platform. Initial hurdles will be there as of most of the farmers are illiterate and are in bad condition. Okay, so this is the maximum information you need about this. Okay, rest whatever comes in news will be there in the current affair test. Now, which are the following is true about Ujala scheme. Okay, you would have already heard it's not a very new scheme and all. So it is being implemented by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE. LED bulbs will be given at 40% rates and the losses will be compensated by subsidies shared by the center and state. Okay, you know that LED bulb has come and many people are going to get like reduced electricity bill in the coming days. Okay, it's already happening everywhere. Like you can go and ask for it and they'll give you the new LED bulb. Okay, you know, like bulbs and all this basics you should know. Like, okay, there is this incandescent bulb, the fluorescent bulb, then there's a CFL. Okay, that fluorescent lamp, CFL tube you used, and after that now LED bulb has come. So the difference is like the energy saving. Okay, like if you are getting like this much electricity bill, it will reduce to 1/3 or 1/6 when you use this. So that is how middle class people are getting some benefit out of the schemes of the central government. Okay, because many people complain like nothing from the center is reaching middle class. It's either for the poor or it's for the super rich people. Nothing is there for middle class. Many different things are indirectly helping you. Okay, so that you may not know. There's an extra knowledge I'm telling you because people don't understand the value of these kind of schemes. Okay, so even I think your homes will have LED bulbs. So when companies give it a smaller rate, obviously they will have some loss. Okay, so how will that be compensated? That is what the second statement is. So you have to know here the both of these things are false because this full form is this thing. Okay, Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED. The implementing agency is Energy Efficiencies Services Limited EESL. Okay, that's a nodal agency. Now the power savings which state discoms make will be used to compensate losses. Like when these bulbs are being used, as I told, people will be consuming lesser power. So there will be some profit in that angle. So that will be used to compensate the losses which they get by giving the bulbs. Okay. So no subsidies are needed. This was helped. This has helped in reduction over this much of carbon dioxide per day, which is estimated to have a cost saving of this much crore per day. Recently, Indian Ujala model was launched in Melaka, Malaysia for efficient lighting. Okay, so even the world is adopting the same system. Okay. Test series 2021 and 22, as I told, come and contact me because the more days you delay, okay, this timetable actually starts today. So first dates will give you all the 10 months of current affair, all the months which got over now. And then next week onwards, you will start get the NCERT test. But before that, I'll make you study the NCERT. So all things are covered here. Please see to that you watch this video and WhatsApp me. Okay. Which of the following is or false about JIO Parsi scheme? It is a central sector scheme. It is launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Now, because of this, Jews and Muslims and Hindus and Christians, all these things keep coming in the news. Any schemes related to the religion things, okay, that also you should study. Okay, UPSC have not asked these kind of schemes, even though it is an old scheme, but we expect question to come. Okay, so one only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. So it's two only. Okay, which of the following are false? So the ministry is false. Okay, central sector scheme is correct only. Then it is launched by Ministry of Minority Affairs. JIO Parsi is a Government of India supported scheme to arrest the decline in population of the Parsi Zoroastrian community in India. The JIO Parsi scheme comprises of three components: advocacy, health of the community, and the medical component. Okay, so this much is enough, and more details if you need for interest sake, you can go and learn here. Okay, so try to learn the minimal facts about all the schemes. The commit program has been developed by Department of Personal Training in collaboration with whom? Okay, you know, DOPT, we have a department. Find out which ministry it is. Then it is in collaboration with who that this commit program was started. Is it the International Labour Organization? Is it the World Bank? Is it the UNDESA? Or is it United Nations Development Program, UNDP? This collaboration and all, whenever involved, UPSC has a habit of troubling you. Okay, it may not be a like ABCD question. It can be a 2-3 statement question where one statement will be like this, like commit program is made in collaboration with the World Bank or with the UNDP. So like that, the statement will be given. Okay, so you have to find out. So we are just teaching it the other way, directly teaching you the fact. So it is UNDP, comprehensive online modified modules on induction training, that is commit, for state government officials. The objective of this training program is to improve the public service delivery mechanism and provide citizen-centric administration through capacity building of officials who interact with the citizens on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so it's a training program for them. Commit will be launched in 6 states of Assam, Haryana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and West Bengal initially on pilot basis during the current financial year 2017-18, and within next year it is expected to cover all over India. Okay, so this is a scheme which came that time, but now it's again in news. So that is why question can come, okay, or may come. UPSC will put like this was together launched across India. It's not like that. In a pilot way, it is launched in some of the states, then only it was expanded. Okay, so like that, very very basic things which about the scheme you have to study. Now, which of the following are matched correctly? Okay, 3 bureaus are given of India: Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS), Bureau of Energy Efficiency, and Bureau of Immigration. And against them, the respective ministries are given, like Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Power, Ministry of External Affairs. So you have to see whether they are matched correctly. Okay, match the following. At least 5 questions will come out of the 100 questions you get in UPSC prelims. 5 questions will be definitely match the following. Okay, so here is it 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only. So here if you see the options, if at least one if you know like it is wrong, then the answer you directly get it. But if all 3 you feel true, then answer will be A. So you have to know which one it is. So here it is 1 and 2 only, meaning the third one, Bureau of Immigration, is not here. Okay, Bureau of Immigration is under Ministry of Home Affairs. It was set up in 1971 by Government of India to undertake immigration function in the country. Okay, immigration means coming inside. So a BOI is headed by Commissioner of Immigration and assisted by FRROs. Okay, that is this Foreign Regional Officers for immigration facility, service at the airports, and work relating to registration of foreigners under various acts and rules. Altogether, there are around 86 this much checkposts catering to international traffic. Of this much are under BOI. That numbers are not important. Okay, at present there are 12 FRROs in major cities. Okay, like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Amritsar, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Calicut, Kochi. Okay, so like this you have to know very very minimal things about all these bodies. Okay, and there are different MCQs where explanation is given for BIS also and BEE also. Okay, and here more details are given, vision, value and all this. I don't think it's very important, but because as a notes format, we gave you this. Okay, because this immigration, after the CAA bill and all this, incoming, outgoing people, all these things are keep coming in news. So we can't predict like what will be useful for you in your prelims or mains. So we gave the notes. Okay, so hope it's clear. Please keep watching videos and hit subscribe. Okay, most of you not subscribing, like I don't know why. Okay, because if you have to be like proudly tell anywhere like I am studying from Vysh IAS, you have to show them a channel which has this much subscriptions. Okay, like we are like 40,000 subscribers since last 1 year. Then 5,000 to 10,000 came in 1 year. That is very very low number compared to any other UPSC channel here. So unless you hit subscribe, you yourself will feel like you're studying from some small YouTuber. Okay, so please see to it that the efforts you are being done for you is being reflected also in the form of subscriptions. So please hit subscribe. I'll come with tomorrow's episode. Thank you and have a nice day.